The brain lets you organize ideas and information the way you think. When you log into the brain from your iOS or Android device, you'll have access to all the brains you've already uploaded to the Brain cloud. But if you're just getting started, you can also create a new brain from scratch by tapping on the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner. I'd like to open an existing brain right now, so I'll close the prompt and tap on the brain thumbnail in my list. If this is the first time I've ever opened this brain on this device, I'll be prompted to download a local copy. The brain I've opened is called My Brain. It helps me keep track of everything, from my work to interests in my personal life. Every time I tap on a thought, that thought comes to the center of the screen and displays all related thoughts around it. I have a lot going on right now with my softball league. At tonight's practice, we're going to be reviewing the season roster. Luckily, I have a document saved in my brain that I can open from my iOS device during the meeting. Each thought in your brain can be associated with documents, notes, and web pages. In fact, while I'm at my team meeting, I'll just jot down a few notes. The notes are automatically saved. When I return to the Plex, it's easy to see which thoughts have notes or attachments associated with them from the highlighted icon. I'm going to be visiting this thought often over the next few months, so I'm going to make a pin for easy access. I'll tap on the pin icon and select Pin this thought. Pins are great shortcuts for frequently accessed thoughts in a large brain that you create. Another option for navigating through your brain is using the search. Just tap on the search icon and start typing in a thought name. Tap on any of the search results that appear to navigate to that thought. Now let's add some content. First, I want to add a new thought in this area of my brain. I'll tap on the plus icon to add a new thought. Notice that as I'm typing, I'm also seeing existing thoughts in my brain that I've already created. I can tap on one of these thoughts in case I just want to link to an existing thought. Or, for a new thought, I can select whether it will be a parent, jump, or child thought and tap Create. Likewise, I can tap on the button with the minus sign to forget the current active thought or unlink any of its connections. Now, let's add an attachment. While browsing the web, I found an article that I'd like to save in my brain. So, I'll tap on the share icon and scroll down to the option for Add to BrainBox. A prompt will appear verifying that the web page has been added. When I return to the brain, I can tap on the BrainBox icon to review content, add the content to the current active thought, or create a new child thought with this content added as an attachment. Now that I've made my changes from my iOS device, I'll tap on the sync icon. This will keep my brain in sync with copies of this brain on the Brain cloud and on my Windows desktop computer at home and my MacBook at work. One final note about using the brain on mobile devices such as iOS and Android. When using my brain on a tablet device, there will be enough room to view the content area at the same time as I view the Plex. I can also switch between different views, such as outline and expanded view. And of course, I can click the 3 bars on the far left to return back to my available brain list and access another digital brain. Take your thoughts with you anywhere you go with the brain.